Hey guys, Cuber Guy here. Today this is my first video and there is a voice reveal at the first video, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So you don't know how to solve the Rubik's Cube? Well, you came to the right video, because in this video I'm going to teach you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. First, I'm going to teach you what are the pieces in the Rubik's Cube. This is called a center. This is a corner and this is an edge. The first step of solving the Rubik's Cube is to get all of the white edges into the yellow center. So look for the white edges and get them to the yellow center. For example, I have one here, so I find a way to get it in here. It's very intuitive. Here's another one. I can get it like this. Here I have most of them, and this is one here. And if you got this shape, that means you've done this first step correctly. If you get any corners solved in here, don't worry about that, because all we need for this step are those edges. So after you've completed this shape, then you will solve the first top cross. First off, you will start with any edge color. For example, this is blue, but this is not blue, so I want to have the blue center. So I move this like this until I get the blue center. When I get the blue center, I take it up to the top. I turn 90 degrees until it gets to the top. Then we solved one edge. After you've done the first edge, don't turn this. No, turn around the cube. Now, this is the same step as the first edge. Just do it again until you get the top cross solved. Here I have a green edge. I turned it once. I got the green. Got it up here. Got this solved. Next one is red. Turn it like this until I get red. Get it up here. And orange. Turn this. Get it up. Now we have solved the first cross, the top cross, the white cross. If you want to know how it should look like this. The top cross and all of here are solved. Now we were going to solve the corners. First, you have to see the color of if it matches. For example, this corner has green and red. If it has white, so we know it's going to go here. So look, turn it up here until it goes over where it should get. Here's how you get it in here. If you do this, it would solve, but it will still mess up the cross. So we put it away. If it's gonna go down right like this, we take it away from where it's supposed to go. Take this up, make it go in, and put it down. Then see, we have solved. After you solve the first corner, we're gonna solve the next one. This is exactly the same as the first corner, but it has different colors. For example, here I have green and orange. I look for the green and orange one. Here it is, but it is still in one place in the cross. So how do I get it out of here? I do the same step reverse. I just take this up, put it away, and put it down, so I don't mess up the cross, and this is out. So I want to get it here, but it doesn't solve correctly. How? If the white is up, do this, turn up twice, put this back down. Sometimes it can solve a corner, but it's okay. Then you can solve this. You can solve it like this. You just insert it. Then we solve two. The last one, the same thing happened as this one. Take it out. Then just to get it in here, do this again. Then insert it. And then for the last corner, you don't need to see the color, but you can just insert it here. After you solve the first layer, we're gonna solve the second layer. So here, I should find any edge here that does not have yellow, because if it has yellow, it should be up here. So at first I find an edge that does not have yellow on it, like this one. It has orange and blue. Orange is facing me, so I get it to the orange side, like here. I know if I do this, it would solve, but it would still mess up the first layer. So how do I do this? If it's supposed to go to the right, then move the top to the left, and then do these 4 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after you've done this, turn it like to the right, and then do this move again, but with the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then look, we solved the one edge. Now let's do this with the other. Here's another one. Red is facing me and blue's on the top, but it's already solved in this way, so it's okay. I know it's going to the left, but it still mess up the first layer. So if it's going to the left, I take it to the right. Then I do these 4 moves with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I move it to the left, and then I do these 4 moves with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We solved 2 edges. Let's do the other. Here's one, green and orange. Orange is facing me, so I get it to the orange. It's going to the left, so I take it to the right. And then I do these 4 moves with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then move it to the left. Do these. 1, 2, 3, 4. We solved one. And then we still have one more edge. Here, we solve it. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes this can happen. When you're solving the second layer and you've solved all the edges except one, it's flipped around. What do? This is simple. You take this corner out, and then insert it to the left, and then you can just insert it here like usual. Sometimes when you solve the first layer, the last layer, you get just the center. No, it is flipped around for the yellow side. So if I have just the center right, I do this move like this, and then I do these 4 moves again, and then do it like this. Then I'll get an L shape. I get this L shape to be like this in the left corner, top left corner. Then I do these moves again, then these 4 moves. Then I get a line. If you get the line, don't make it like this, keep it like this. Then do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you solve the cross. Now we'll solve the edges just like the bottom, but it's gonna be solved in a different way. So you're gonna solve the last layer, but first you got to solve the edges, then the corners. So try to make sure that you align 2 edges like this. Sometimes you can just get 1 solved. If you try to move but you can't get 2 solved, and then you do this move from anywhere, and then you see if you solve 2, move until you get 2 solved. Here I got 2 solved. If you got 2 solved, then you get 2 solved here. If you look at one and the right one is not solved, then you have to keep it like this. Then do these moves again. It didn't work. I'll try it again. If it doesn't work for you, just try again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like so you don't miss another video. Thank you all for watching. Bye. And then after you do it a few times, then you get the top cross solved. Then we're gonna solve the last corners. First, we look at if all the corners are solved. This one isn't solved because green and red doesn't match with blue and red. Let's go to the next one. Orange and blue matches, so this is in the right spot. Green and orange doesn't match with blue and red. Red and green doesn't match with green and orange, so we do these moves from anywhere. After you've done these moves, check them again. Green and orange does not match because this is red and green. Orange and blue does not match because this is blue and red. This one doesn't match, and all of them don't match. If all of them don't match, do this move again. Sometimes you can get the top face off, but that's okay. Then you look around, see if they're correct. If you only get one correct, That's okay. Then keep it on the right. Do these moves where it says here, because if you do it and you have one corner on the right, it will stay the same. Now check if your corners are right. This one is right, this one is correct, this one is correct, and this one's correct. So if you want to get these correct, but they're in the right place, but you want to flip them around. How? First thing, keep the yellow face down and start with this corner. Do these 4 moves until this gets flipped around. I did it once, twice, 3 times, 4. If it messes up the top, that's okay, because after we solve all of these, the cube will be solved. Then after you've done with one corner, don't move the cube, no, just move the bottom like this. Once, twice, 3 times, 4. Move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can just do this.